It's lunchtime. Time to display some new content. I think I'm gonna go with some burger menu. Yeah, this one looks fine. I think I will just assign it right away. Okay, something should have happened right now, because in the app it shows me that my menu is live, but nothing happens on the Diwa. There is no error message, nothing. What did I do wrong? Hi, my name is Diana and welcome to the world of Diwa. Today I will show you what you need to do in this scenario. So first, open your Diwa app and swipe left on the location where your Diwa is. Click on the edit button with the gray background, and here you will see that you actually have a wrong time zone. We are in Germany, so I need to choose the Berlin, Germany location. Click update, and then this should fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.